Hi gang, back again with another turntable. This one substantially newer than the Garage Type A that I featured in the last video. This is Technics, well-regarded turntables. I've had a couple that I've really valued. This one is an SL BD20 and it is a semi-automatic turntable. With auto shut-off. You set the stylus over the groove, lower the cuing, and it will play the record and pick up and return the tone arm to the rest at the end and shut the motor off. 2-speed, 33 and 45. I think that's pretty standard for these ones of this era. Don't need 78, and whoever heard of 16 RPM? So I've never come across a record. At any rate, this has got new belt, because it is a belt drive turntable, and a new stylus, and it is a P-mount type cartridge, and it's been repaired. Had a little problem with the cuing device, and that's all been repaired. So I will be selling this because I have so many turntables of my own. I do not need to have another one. You know, I think I have a stereo system in every room in this house except for the bathroom, and you never know when that might happen. So, I'll put the camcorder on pause, I guess, and I'll put a record on and just show you something of it playing. Be back in a sec. Okay, I am back. As you can see, there is a record on the turntable and the tone arm is queued up and ready to go. I thought I would do that part of it off camera and save all the jiggles that would come from me trying to manhandle the camera and get a record on the turntable. So at any rate, here's a little sample of how it sounds. I'll just pan up to the speakers. They're way up there. Okay. Sounds and works pretty good. Speed's right on. Tracking and anti-skating is preset at the factory, and there's no need to mess with that. Because it's a P-type cartridge, you're going to use the same type of stylus in it anyhow, all the time. Okay, we shall scoot this fella over. Oh well, I triggered the auto return. So as you can see, it does auto return. And you heard some music on it. It's in very good shape. The dust cover, considering the age of it, is pretty good. Hard to see what goes on there. There are some scuffs and a couple of marks like there. Hardly noticeable. Otherwise, it's really in pristine shape. So, this one will go up for sale. I'll be selling that for, I think, $125. I've incurred the cost of new stylus, which aren't cheap these days, by the way, and a new drive belt, as well as the labor to repair that cuing device. So at any rate, if anybody's interested in purchasing this fella, then you can contact me at donsaudioservice@gmail.com. Thanks, and have a good day.